Hello, I'm Darren Kapanji, and I'm here with Joel Miller from Ryko. Hey, Joel, how you doing?
Hey, great. How you doing today?
Great, great. Well, thanks for joining us today. Can you tell us a little bit about your background and your relationship with Ryko?
Oh, absolutely. I've been in the industry about 30 years, and a few years ago I came on board with Ryko, and I've been working with the Ryko systems team and predominantly the C-store and the MB Automatic group. It's been a great experience.
Wonderful. So NCS Cares are putting this great program together to help with this crazy time that we're living in. So can you tell us what does NCS Cares mean to you and Ryko?
Yeah. So thank you for asking. So, for me, it's really about being concerned about our customers. It's really about being concerned about our employees and the overall industry. We really want to see what we can do with all the tools that we have in our toolbox to help everybody in any way possible in the coming months.
That's great. Wonderful. So tell us a little about the program that you guys put together.
Yeah, so we put together a program for our MBAG team to be able to give back. We put aggressive discounts together with deferred leasing programs, and then we also have like a chemical grant to go with it to help out to get you started again. And we've got a lot of other recommendations to kind of leapfrog your business once we get going again.
That's great. So do you have that information on the next slide, I think?
Absolutely. So we have 3 different promotions. They're all $99 a month for 6 months. So that'll allow you to really drive some revenue and profits without a lot of money out of pocket. It includes a free installation and tear out, a 1-year parts and labor, and then also includes this program through the 20th of May, just so we can help out. And we've got an offering for $109,999 for our 5-brush, which is the fastest machine in the industry. It's a workhorse that can wash a car in top package 3 minutes and 40 seconds. We've got the Soft Gloss 3, which is our European style 3-brush. It can also do a combi wash for $104,999. And then we have our Radius, it's just an exceptional touchless wash, and it's $97,999.
That's some great offerings there. So tell us, why craft a program aimed at helping wash owners and operators at this time?
Yeah, so we really wanted to give back. There's a lot of people out there that are struggling. A lot of our operators that are in the C-store area are considered essential. So they're still up and running, but they're going slower than they normally would. So we wanted to create some type of options for them to be able to catapult themselves to a very, very strong, sustainable, profitable growth plan once we exit this pandemic.
That's great. And when does this program start and when does it end?
It's going to start tomorrow, Thursday, the 22nd, and we will run it through May the 20th.
Wonderful. Oh, that's great. Great. And one last question I have for you, Joel. What suggestions would you give to owners and operators at this time?
That's a great question. I think now, being a former operator, I think now when things are a little slow, it's time to really think about what you were doing well and what you can improve on. I think it's time to think about your business model, what capital investments you could make that would help you have exponential growth when you get out of this. Look at marketing through TSS, our Clean Touch chemical program. There's all different things you can be doing to position yourselves for success. And across not only the Ryko business, but all of our business, we're going to be having these deferred type of offerings to help you position your business for success in the next few months.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, now is a time to reinvent yourself. I mean, we're going to have a lot of new normals, and putting the investment in your wash now, I agree, is the time. That's great. Do you have is the next slide some contact information for people to reach out if they need, or you have another program?
There is. We have, and there's more.
Oh, sorry, and there's more. So yeah, tell us more.
Yeah, so the other thing we had is there's some operators that don't need a new car wash, but their POS system is kind of antiquated and in some ways obsolete. So we put together a very aggressive program partnering with Unitech and then once again Ascensium for a C-Start or a portal for 15% off of list, which is a great price. Or more importantly, once again, $99 a month for 6 months. We're also going to throw in Card Connect, which is a processing service through Unitech, $1,500 value for free. And if you buy 5 or more portals, we'll throw on and get portals or C-Starts, we'll throw in an additional 5%. This is going to run through May as well.
That's great. So it seems like you and NCS across the board are really putting some great packages together for people. And then who would we contact if we had some more questions?
Well, if you wanted to directly contact the senior team in support of your business, you can contact Chris Lee on the East Coast. He's the Vice President of Sales on the East, and Pat DePrisco on the West. And then, of course, anytime if they can't get you what you need, feel free to give me a call.
That's great, Joel. Well, hey, thanks so much for taking the time today. It's obvious that Ryko cares and NCS cares, and we appreciate you taking the time to share this information with us. So thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You too.